But we got the family function about to pop off. We're starting to cook now. As you can see, the kitchen is it's a working order. Of course, we cooking, man. You're not supposed to have a clean kitchen if you cooking, man. Y'all see this stuff? I don't eat this stuff. Hey, where your relish at?
Lamar,
Babe.
don't come in here with your shenanigans.
Where your relish?
It's in that motherfucker.
Alright, I'm gonna tell the people that you cursing me.
Well, the people know that you ain't here bothering me.
Nah, son.
Just so y'all know, Timothy had the door closed because he didn't like the smell. But now he out here bugging me.
The smell. Babe, what else you doing in here?
I pressed all my stuff that needs to be chopped. Take this crab out in a minute and cut the tops of that off.
Oh, you gonna start making the
gumbo?
Today?
I think so.
So it could get those flavors?
Yeah.
I feel you, man. Check out the little tree. That tree is popping, y'all. We just gotta, get some more ornaments. See, we got our special ornaments. We always buy like a set of 4. But I can't find our decoration box. Got one of the trucks. Where's Poppy's at? Oh, it must have failed.
He got it way at the bottom.
Oh, he put it down here. Got the kings. That's mine, y'all. We got little man's, the manger. Baby Jesus in the manger.
Zaya!
You with the faces. Yo, mama wants you, man. I didn't say nothing.
Shut up. Don't even try to lie. Don't lie. Don't lie. Don't lie. Are you gonna edit? Okay. Okay. Imagine this man really sweating on me while I haven't even played on left stick in like the entire time. Bro, move. I can't even, whoa, I can't even switch mode, bro. What? Oh, you're not trying. You're not trying.
But that don't mean y'all can eat none, though.
I know that.
Just because it's made today. Don't be cheating.
No, I ain't gonna make it today, too.
Nah, you gotta make it today.
I'm gonna
It's
do my
gonna-
macaroni today.
Macaroni today?
And then when I put it in the oven tomorrow, all I gotta do is cook cheese. Watch out, baby. Yeah, because this honey.
We should go get some ornaments today. What y'all think? We should go get some ornaments before everybody come over for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving T- 1 day away. Is it good, man?
It's just like how my granny makes hers.
Look like yellow mashed potatoes.
Hush up, bro.
All right, y'all. We'll be back. I'm just filming the beginning of a great event. Peace. Hey. Oh yeah. That's right. Don't forget to hit that comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that huh? Nah, I told you when it's set for something like kids.
Say it's not for kids.
Say,
They're gonna find it anyway and look at it.
I just don't want it to be like where people gotta put their date of birth just to see our video. But I guess. But yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe, comment if you like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when we do make videos, you'll be the first to get them.
Right away.
So yeah, like I said, peace. Good morning. TNNA 24/8. It's Thanksgiving Day. Hey, I'm about to surprise my son. He snuck up so he can play his game early. Watch. Morning, man. So, I woke up early so I could get to the kitchen before wifey gets up. Cause I need my space, man. Let's see what we doing. Where we at? So, the dish that I'm bringing to the party is gonna be tamale or enchilada pie. But, you know, since I've gone vegan, I gotta make it with no beef. So, for everybody that attends the party, the enchilada pie had no beef. And I'll be right back. So first, I want y'all to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and comment, drop a comment, and let me know what you up to for Thanksgiving Day. Going over to anybody's house. I know my fam's getting together today. I'm definitely miss being over there. Good family vibes all the time. But yeah, we're just trying to be safe without, you know, trying to travel too far with this COVID stuff going on. Let's see. So first, I gotta cut off my ingredients. So I'm gonna cut those up and then I'll be right back. Peace.